Hi everyone, this is Pinya here. Welcome to Tejas Nair and Pinya Nair channel. Today we are going to see Ammi Kal. A stone hand grinder is called Ammi Kal. It is mainly used to grinding ingredients like vegetables, red spices, coconut, etc. After getting the paste, you can use it to prepare delicious dishes. Stone hand grinder comes with a long rectangle stone and an oval-shaped rolling stone. Method of usage: wash thoroughly before using it. Put the ingredients into the flat and thick rectangle stone. By using the oval-shaped rolling stone, grind the spices through the forward and backward action. Add the water based on your need for the grinding. Thank you. Bye-bye. Please take care. Bye.